In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up 200 EMA on TradingView. The 200 EMA, or 200 period exponential moving average, is a popular tool for spotting the broader market trend. It smooths out price action while still reacting reasonably quickly to recent moves, making it a favorite on nearly any time frame. Start by opening your chart in TradingView. You can use any symbol and any time frame. These steps work the same whether you're looking at stocks, crypto, forex, or futures. Once your chart is visible, look to the top of the screen and click the Indicators button. This opens the indicator library where you can search for built-in tools. In the search box, type EMA or exponential moving average. You'll see exponential moving average appear in the results. Click it to add the EMA to your chart. By default, TradingView applies the EMA with a shorter length, which is why we'll customize it next. After the EMA appears, find its name in the chart legend, usually at the top left of the chart area. Hover over it and click the Settings gear icon. This opens the settings panel for that indicator. Inside the settings, look for the field labeled Length or Period. Change that value to 200. This tells the EMA to calculate based on the last 200 candles on whatever time frame you're viewing. For example, on a daily chart, it uses the last 200 days. On a 5-minute chart, it uses the last 200 5-minute candles. You don't need to do anything else for it to adapt across time frames. While you're in the settings, you can optionally change the color and line thickness so the 200 EMA stands out from your price candles and other indicators. Pick a color with strong contrast and a thickness that's easy to see without overwhelming the chart. This simple visual tweak makes it faster to identify trend direction at a glance. When you're happy with the settings, click OK or Apply. You'll now see the 200 EMA as a smooth trend line across your chart. As a quick interpretation tip, many traders watch whether price is above or below this line to gauge overall trend bias, and they note the angle of the line for momentum context. If you ever need to adjust it again, use the same gear icon in the legend to reopen settings. That's it. You've successfully set up the 200 EMA on TradingView. Keep your chart clean, choose a visible color, and let the line help you stay aligned with the bigger trend.